Hello, so we've been doing a lot of work in here. We got our countertop in, and I don't remember if my last video showed the curtain, and we've started installing the insulation in the ceiling, which has come along nicely. So this is the counter and the sink that we're going to be putting in. So this is the sink bowl, and we're gonna cut that circle out. I didn't have the right kind of saw, but I have one now, so I'll cut that circle out and put the fittings into it. And then this will get put in here-ish, and this will be installed into the countertop. And then the gray tank will be my clean water, and the bucket will be my gray water. However, I want to get a clear bucket instead of the orange one, so I can see how much water is actually in there, and I need to get a lid for it, and then I need hoses and everything. But that's the sink. Oh, and then this here will be my pump that will pump the water from the bucket, the gray bucket, into there, and then that'll go up into this guy. And that'll be my sink. No power, nothing needed, just fresh water, gray water, sink, and then I have an extra fresh water canister as well. And then in this space, I'm hoping to put the air conditioner. So I'll cut some holes out in the floor here and put some vents so the air conditioner can have airflow. And then the air conditioner will probably stick out a little bit out from here. So it'll probably stick out like that far, maybe, depending. And then on this side will be all of the power sources. So I'm thinking I'm going to drill a hole here and run my power through here, and then one outlet will be around here, and then I think the other outlet will just be back here on the floor for the air conditioner and stuff. So that's what we've been doing. The cabinet, or the sink, is built on this frame here. Built to that, and then we put these beams back here for the countertop, and the counter is really solid. And then we have our little molding, and we're going to screw the countertop into the frame pieces with L brackets. But that's it so far. It's been a lot of work, slowly but surely, but it's coming along and it's coming together, so pretty pleased with it. So yeah.